These are my tools for making great PS2 tutorials. Let's do this. Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. We've got a really great proof of concept video today, and what we're going to be doing is I'm using FreeMcBoot and using the latest daily build of OPL. I can use a PS3 or PS4 controller using like a Bluetooth dongle connected to my PS2, and I can actually play games through wireless, through Bluetooth, using the PS3 and the PS4 controller. If you don't have a PS4 dongle, you can also use USB as well to both of your controllers. So let's show this proof of concept working. So here's my PS4 controller, and I already have it paired. And here's my PS3 controller over here. So we can see that the second LED is lit for player 2, and this one, it just happens to be player 1. So what I'm going to do is go into versus mode and show you that yes, this does work. Analogs work, DPADs work. It's pretty awesome. So using the PS4 controller, let's go ahead and just select some random characters. Okay. Now let's go ahead to the PS3 controller and select some characters. And get ready for a lot of good times. So I want to thank the OPL developers and the scene for contributing all that is necessary to make the OPL work into the fantastic version that it is today. So let's showcase some quick gameplay. If you are curious, I'm using my PC to host this game through the SMB network, through Ethernet. So here's, on the right hand side, player 2, Zangief, he's moving. Analog controller is working fine. I could also use the D-pads as well. So let's go ahead, jump around, fight. Okay, great. Now let's go back to the PS4 controller. And here we can see, yep, analog is working. Awesome. D-pad, yep, D-pad's working. And let's go ahead and fight. Okay, cool. Now let's do it both together. So, PS4, PS3. See, they're working. Just PS3 only. And then here's the PS4. So this is a great proof of concept. If you want to get a jump start, I'll have a link in the video description where you get the latest daily OPL build. Put that on your FreeMcBoot memory card, for example. Run it, and then what you do is go to your game, press triangle, go to the DPAD EMU emulator portion, and just sort of configure from there. And I'll have a more full-blown, tutorial in the future. So that's today's proof of concept video. You guys have any nitpicky questions in the comment here on the YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.